Welcome and hello to our third edition of our video series Implementation of PROAD Software Sky. In this workshop, I will show you how to assign your entered employees and freelancers to specific user groups, then give them specific rights and unlock access for employees and freelancers. If you have entered your staff via the Master Data, Employees and Freelancers menu, you can then assign these entered employees and freelancers via the Admin User Group Rights menu. The respective license types provided to them are already shown with their maximum rights. You can now select each individual user group license type and configure the rights for the individual areas using the Rights List tab. Using the Members tab, you can then see which employees have been assigned to which user group and can now assign unassigned employees to respective user groups. Each user group also has sensitive rights. Using the Admin tab in a user group, you can, for example, determine which employees are allowed to edit the user group rights or the user login management. There is a right structure for each dialog, with delete being the highest assignable right. Via the Master Data Employees Rights List, you can also deactivate or grant rights to sensitive data such as internal hourly rates, holiday leave and personal data of the employees for the respective user groups. In general, you can determine for each license type which tabs, areas and other rights are visible to the employees assigned to the user group, and which can be edited or deleted, which is the highest assignable right. Once you have set up your user group rights, you can now create the access data for the individual employees via Admin User Login Management. Select an employee, check the box for PROAD Login, assign the employee to a user group and give him a login name and password. After saving the access data, the employee or freelancer can now log on into PROAD with their given URL via a browser with their username, database name and their password. Now you are ready to set up a PROAD user. First you enter your staff via the Master Data Employees or Freelancers menu. Then you set up the individual user groups via the Rights List in the Admin User Groups Rights menu. And finally, you can set up the access data for each employee via the Admin User Login menu. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or you need assistance, feel free to contact us. We will be pleased to help you.